Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to digitize a very simple mug rug in Embird using a motif fill. So the first thing I want to do is, well, as you can see, I'm in Embird Studio. I'm going to do Edit, Preferences. I'm going over to the hoop, click on the custom icon. I'm going to select the Baby Lock 5x7 hoop. Click the little box that's going to turn it sideways. Click the OK button and click Apply. When this is applied, it makes the 7-inch go left to right on your screen and the 5 from top to bottom. Now, the next thing I'll do is I will go to Shape and from Library, and I will go ahead and pick the circle. And as you can see, it brings the circle in. Over here on the right hand side, I'm going to delete this satin stitch outline because I'm not going to use what they have. And then I am going to stretch this to just about fill up the hoop. And I'll go ahead and do a generate stitches here. And as you can see, I do have Embird on 3D right now, so it shows it as a full fill. I want to change this to a motif, so I will, over here on the right hand side, I will right click and do parameters. I will hit motif. I will scroll down and pick out a motif that I like. Click generate stitches. And there it's turned that fill stitch into a motif stitch. Now you will notice that all of this isn't a full circle around here. This happens sometimes with motifs, and it's just the nature of the game, and that's okay. We'll take care of it. So I will select the motif, and I'm going to do a convert or create outline from fill. And as you will notice over here on the right hand side, there's a little running stitch outline. If you want to make sure that it's a running stitch, you can go in and do parameters, and it'll say a single stitch. Generate stitches, and there it is. I will change the color of this by right clicking color, do a color from catalog. I'm going to come down and just select a color that's different. I'm going to move this one to the back by right clicking order and say move to back. This will stitch first as a placement line where you can put your fabric above and below your hoop for your mug rug. Next, the motif will stitch out, which will kind of quilt your quilt sandwich. Then I will actually paste in this little outline again. So I will copy, and I'm going to do a Control V for paste, and there it is. It pops up right there. It's now it's in front and behind. So I'm going to paste it in again. I'm going to change the color. We're going to, let's just make this a completely different color. We'll do it coral. I'm also going to change the parameters this time. I'm going to make it a satin stitch, and I'm going to change my width to 5 millimeters. Generate the stitches, and there's the satin stitches that's going to go around the edge of the mug rug. Now, because this is a wide satin stitch, I like to have another little running stitch around there to help anchor it in. So I'm going to do a Control V once again, and it's going to put that little running stitch all the way around, and it's centered in there because it is the actual outline that you used for your placement and the one that's stitched out after the motif. So all of it is the same oval. It's just that the parameters are different. So that's it. I hope you like. Subscribe and come back because I'm planning to have some more easy digitizing videos, and we will work on up to some advanced. I'll talk to you later and see you then. Bye.